This week, Mozilla made a big announcement for Firefox users and enabled its total cookie protection feature by default. This is a feature that was first introduced in version 86 of Firefox, and then 3 releases later, it was enabled by default when using a private browsing window. Now the company has enabled this feature by default for all browsing windows and all users. The goal of Mozilla's total cookie protection feature is to put people first, not their personal data, by creating a separate cookie jar for each individual website you visit, rather than having one centralized jar like it has been for so many years. This approach limits the amount of tracking third-party websites can do, while also still allowing cookies to function for individual websites. So this is a great feature for those who are using Firefox as their web browser of choice. But what about those of us who are currently using Chrome? Thankfully, this feature has been built into Chrome for a while, and I can show you how to enable it since it is not turned on by default. So we can basically have this similar approach in Chrome by first opening up the application. Then we're going to dive into the settings area. Now you're going to want to scroll down and tap the site settings option. And then you're going to see cookies up here at the very top. So by default, you're either going to be set to allow cookies or block third-party cookies in incognito mode. This is how it's set up by default on my device. But we can change this option to block third-party cookies, and it will work how Mozilla has set up its total cookie protection feature in Firefox. So while this announcement is big for Firefox users, and it's great at protecting the personal data of its user base, the feature itself has been built into many popular web browsers for a while now. We just need to go in and enable the option for ourselves.